In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in the Gemini app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps us bring you more great content. So let's jump right in. Uploading images in the Gemini app is a straightforward process, and I'm going to take you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Gemini web app page. Just open your favorite web browser and type in the URL, or you can search for Gemini web app. Once you're there, you'll notice that the interface is user-friendly, which makes it easy to find your way around. Now that you're on the main page, let's initiate a chat. You can either start a brand new chat, or simply click into an existing conversation box that you already have open at the bottom of the screen. If you're opening a new chat, look for the icon that shows a plus sign or an image. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in the chat box, the next step is to click on that Upload Image button, which is usually represented by either a plus icon or an actual image icon depending on the version you are using. This button is typically located either directly inside the prompt text box or right next to it. It's designed to be easily accessible so that you can quickly upload images whenever you need to. Now, after clicking that button, a file dialog box will pop up, allowing you to access the files on your computer. This is where you can choose the image you want to upload. Browse through your folders and find the picture file you wish to share. Once you've located it, simply click on it to select, and then hit the Open button. This uploads your chosen image into the chat. After the image is uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to type a message about the image. This is a great chance to ask questions or provide context for what you're sharing. Just type in the text box what you want to convey. It could be a question, a comment, or just some thoughts about the image. Once you're happy with what you've written, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button. This step will send your message along with the uploaded image to the chat. And there you go. You've successfully uploaded an image in the Gemini app. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. For anyone who regularly shares images, whether it's for work, study, or even just casual chat, understanding how to upload images efficiently can really enhance your experience. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, the community forums and support pages are always helpful resources. Before we wrap up, if you have any questions or comments about this tutorial, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. I'll be back with more tips and tricks, so stay tuned. Happy chatting, and enjoy using the Gemini app.